Learn vocabulary with them now.
Hi everyone. Today's my word is forest. I love walking in the forest with my friends.
Hi, Nobi. My word is friend. Nobi is my friend.
Hello, Nobi Bunny. My word is sing. La, I love to sing songs for my friends. Here is another word, brave. I am a brave bird.
Good job, Tiki. Hello, everyone. My word is happy. Flowers make me happy.
Oh, that's a stage. This is my stage.
My next word is voice. My voice will be very loud.
My next word is magic. There is magic in this forest.
My word is smile. I love smiling at everyone.
Together.
Let's learn
together.
Today we must say
say
goodbye.
goodbye.